Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I want to show you guys some interesting results from one of my students' YouTube channel. So let's dive in. So you can see this is one of my students' YouTube channel, and he recently started with us back in June last year. And during December, he got some traction on YouTube algorithm, and right now he's consistently bringing in like $15,000 every single month. So first, I'll show you guys the numbers, and I'll try to refresh the screen to make sure these are not some fake numbers, and let's dive in. So you can see the numbers. The last 28 days he got 1 million views, and YouTube paid them $15,000 for the amount of views they got, because we work on high CPM niches. So you can see so he's constantly getting like 36,000 to like 50,000 views every single day. So you can also see the live stats here, like 64,000 views in the last 48 hours. And most of these views are coming from browse feature, guys. So like so initially we don't rely on browse feature, like we use some other traffic sources to build the channel, and once you got the traction, then it's time to like convert the videos into browse feature type videos. So that's what the student did, and now he's constantly getting around like 40 to 50,000 views on this channel. So you can see they're also working on some other channels. That's the reason they're not publishing consistently on this one. So you can see, let me also click on the estimated revenue, so you'll be able to see how much they're making every single day. So they're getting around like $500 to $600 every single day on this channel. So they're from India, they're from North India, and actually they are students. They're making good amount of money. So I even tagged them on my Facebook post. If you guys want to talk to them, you can talk to them. So you can see this is how they slowly grow from making like $100 days to like right now $500 days. So let me change this to last 365 days. So you can see the growth, right? So they started here. They started last year in June, and July they started creating videos, and they were making only like $1 days, like you can see. So after a while, during like November, December, they started hitting like $10, $20 days, and the numbers went up. So during like Jan, Feb, they started growing really fast, and right now this is the total amount of money they made, like $50,000. This is a good amount of money in India, and so right now they're making around like 50 to 60,000 INR. That's around 500 to $600. That's around 50 to 60,000 INR in India. So let me also change the currency. So you might think these numbers are not real. So these are not real numbers, because you can't fake these settings, right? So let me change it to INR. I'm from India, so you guys can also see the numbers. So in total they did like around 40 lakhs on this YouTube channel from just making videos. So mostly these videos are faceless YouTube channels. These are called faceless YouTube channels, and they don't make their own videos. Like these ones are like, they don't have to show their face, and they don't have to record their voices to make videos. So like the one I'm doing right now, they don't do that. So pretty much the video content creation is outsourced to others, and you just need to work on the algorithm, mostly the title and thumbnail parts. Then YouTube does the job. So let me also change this back to last 28 days, so you can see the numbers again. So you can see like 40 to 50,000 rupees in INR, 36, 40, 38, 42 and 44. So this is the daily numbers they're doing on this YouTube channel, and this is the exact amount of money you're going to get paid after YouTube's cut, because YouTube is going to take around like 45% of the overall revenue. But this is not the overall revenue, this is your part after YouTube's cut. So this is the exact amount you're going to get paid. So let me see how much they made in February. February they did 12 lakh. That's around, I think, 16,000 US dollars. March they did 13, and April they did so far 5. So that's around like $8,000, I think. So in total that's around like 36 lakhs. That's around $49,000, $44,000, I think. So let me change this back to USD. Yeah, $47,000. So this is possible. Like YouTube still pays well for these type of contents, for faceless videos. So there are a lot of updates nowadays on YouTube, and there's always a way to make videos go viral and get traction on YouTube algorithm. And it's not like they pretty much changed everything and it's not working anymore. It's not like that. There's always working. It's just some updates need to be done, because there are a lot of students of mine still doing these numbers on different channels. This is not the only channel doing good right now. There are a lot of channels doing good. Actually, even one of my other students also did around like $22,000 in just 1 month. Maybe in the next video I'll be sharing that video also, if possible. Yeah guys, this is the numbers, and let me also see if I can show you the other tabs, because I don't want to reveal the channel because it might hurt the channel. If you guys are interested in joining my mentorship program, do send me a message on Facebook. Maybe I can take in a couple of people for this month, because I just want to work with few people so I can help them really well. Pretty much that's it guys. So let's see if I can share how much reach they're getting and how much CTR they're getting. So you can see on overall impression they're getting around like 12 million impression every single month, purely from browse feature. So this is the average CTR. They're getting around like 4.6. You can see they're also getting around 6 to 6.2% CTR. Mostly this channel is totally relied on browse feature. So you can also see the traffic sources here, like browse feature, YouTube search, and suggested videos. So mostly they're dominating browse feature and YouTube search on this YouTube channel. So it's really possible even in 2022 to gain traction on browse feature, to make videos like the ones we teaching in the mentorship. So even those type of videos are monetizable. So the best thing about this YouTube channel is they have really good amount of returning viewers coming and watching their videos again and again on this YouTube channel. So you can see they consistently having around like 15 to 20,000 people consistently watching their videos every single day again and again. They also watching their old videos. They also watching their new videos. So you can see two lines, right? The pink one and the blue one. The pink one is called returning viewers, and the blue one is called new viewers. YouTube really loves when you have a good amount of returning viewers. Even they don't subscribe to our channel, they also there are a lot of videos we watch on YouTube, but we don't subscribe, right? We keep on watching their videos. Similar to that, YouTube really likes that. Like even people don't subscribe. Subscribers means nothing nowadays, because you just need to satisfy the viewers so they will become your fan and they keep on watching your videos again and again. Even YouTube will promote your videos to them through browse feature. So browse feature means homepage. If you go to YouTube, you will get like a list of videos, right, on the homepage. That's called browse feature, and that's how this YouTube is really doing good. So you can see there are a lot of topics in YouTube where people watch those type of videos again and again. You just need to find them. So that's what this channel did, and you can see they have very consistent regular viewers, and YouTube also rewarding them with some new viewers. The blue line is new viewers. Every time they get very good amount of returning viewers again to their channel, they also rewarded with new viewers. So really this is one of the tricks. So you need to understand how to bring your old viewers back to your channel. So you need to you should do that, and your channel is going to automatically grow. So that's what they're doing, and they're also consistently growing. Mostly in I think in 3-4 months this channel will be doing at least like $20,000 pure profit, right now they're around like 30 to 50,000 subscribers, and mostly they will cross 100,000 subscribers, and this numbers will be consistently, this channel will be consistently bringing them at least $1,000 days on this YouTube channel. So pretty much that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you really liked it, leave a like and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. I will answer them. And if you guys want to join my mentorship program, send me a message on Facebook. Mostly I can't take more people, so the spots are limited. So if you are interested, reach them. This is not a free mentorship, this is a paid mentorship, and you'll be getting live Skype calls with me. And pretty much that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.